Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have really a cool LED package for you. It comes with 4, and they look like this. 4 come in this pack. They're either a 2-pack or a 4-pack, and this is a 4-pack. This, my friends, will get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because the battery is user replaceable. There is one 18650 on the inside. It's an incredible product. We're going to go over the features of it and how it works. It's just 3 modes. It's really nice. You turn it on, you hold the power button for a few seconds, it turns on. Full brightness with motion. No motion, it shuts off. The second mode is that it's full brightness with... The second mode is it's full brightness when motion. No motion, it dims down to like 10-15% brightness, just enough for ambient light so you can see. And then the last mode is you press it again and it's just dim all the time, no motion, and it's always on. That's one. And I just want to show you, look how bright one is. It's crazy, unbelievable. So it's on, and then we'll do the next mode, and it should, with no motion, dim. There we go, that's dim. I move and it goes back to full brightness. And I'm not sure if I can hold this and show you what it looks like when it's dim. There you go. That's what it looks like when it's dim. Camera's having some difficulty focusing. I'm putting them upside down so the solar panel is facing the table, so they have to come on. So there you go. That's all 4 of them. They're very bright. It's crazy. Absolutely. Oh my goodness, so crazy and bright. Like I said, these things kick some major butt. Definitely getting the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating hands down because their capability is out of this world. Look at this. I can do the review with these lights. See, I always do products like this. These things kick butt. I mean, there's a lot of light here. Trust me. I mean, it's a funky angle because they're actually on the table and they're shining up and it looks funky, but they're bright. This is like 6500 Kelvin output, and they're amazing. I like them a lot. I recommend them. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase these babies. I have so many LED products coming down the pike, it's not even funny. The company of this is called Billing, B-I-L-I-N-G. This is a 4-pack. I'll list both 2-pack and 4-pack in the description below to get these. They're waterproof, they're IP65 compliant. They're absolutely amazing. My eyes are hurting me now because I'm staring at them. They're so bright, it's not even funny. But anyway, and you can see it's not affecting the camera. The camera is recording at 60 frames a second. You don't see the band. So the frequency of these LEDs are perfect. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.